Hello and welcome to Butler.HQ, and in this episode we're going to do a little bit of an investigating. In the last 100 mile we've got two bangs come on, one from the front and one from the back.
So I just got notice while doing the backfield a bit, you know.
So we're going to jack up the front and we're going to have a little bit of a poke around and see what we can find and see if anything highlights why there's a bang. If there's anything adrift. Oh, and then the flipping is. There isn't that good. Yeah, there is something to drift. And what a drift is the anti-roll bar. Yeah. So that's what that was flipping knocking then. Bloody hell. Alright, it's gone out.
Yeah, that's
Flipping hell. There is I
wonder if his car was less MOT.
flipping wonder. It is flipping gone out.
Christ,
That's-
that boy.
On a good note though, the springs there look fairly new. But God, that's flipping, it just rotted away, right?
Yeah.
Jesus wept.
Well, I expect now that the bang.
Yeah, that's a bang.
So, could you get a part for this and
Yeah.
weld that back in, do you think?
Well, you know.
If somebody knows a part number to this or a replacement aftermarket piece, comment down below, because like we'll be need one.
Yeah, we have.
Christ.
Oh, where did it go? That's in.
Leave it low down, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gone.
It has indeed gone.
That's proper, right, gone,
It
man.
has flipping proper gone.
Gonna have a look at the other anti-roll bar bush mount. What's it saying, Pop?
The other side
Yeah,
is intact.
let's have a look.
Somewhere, because it's it is flipping corral.
If that's what I'm allowed to airport.
Can you see that?
Whatever. I'm trying to. That's what that arrangement should look like,
Yeah.
shouldn't it, Pop?
Yeah, look at that. What the hell, fireman?
Well,
The
cradle.
the cradles and that flipping.
I know.
It is, yeah. Definitely
Crusty.
by the sea.
It says if you do know the replacement part number for that bit of metal, or you make an aftermarket one, or your mate makes an aftermarket one, or you know somebody who makes something to fix that problem, comment down below.
Also, is that a common issue with
These
E36s?
compacts
Oh, yeah, I wonder.
or Tourings, or has anybody else ever had that before?
Yeah.
Because it looks quite bad.
And
Now that could explain.
yeah, it is, yeah. So I'm assuming that the good
Shock
old
has gone.
shocks have gone. Yeah, the old shocks. So yeah.
I mean the car's.
Yeah, but
Nah, it's solid.
no, that's a shock, isn't it?
Let's have a look on this side. Now, we have started repairing the still on this side, so you might just see that video, you might not. This same deal on this side. So it needs a new shock
You need new shocks.
and springs. The springs,
Yeah.
yeah, and the top pad
Yeah.
look good.
Oh, do they?
Well, of course, them being the original ones.
Yeah.
And that side don't look as bad. Look alright, Pa?
So yeah, so in that car, yeah, that's bonus, isn't it? It is a bonus.
So, the springs don't look original.
No.
Springs don't look original, but obviously the shocks do.
So.
You have a look, Pa,
Yeah.
as well.
Barry!
What are you thinking, Pop?
I'm just having a gander, and yeah, there is stickers on the shocks, you say. That now the driver's side spring looks new-ish, yeah.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah.
Yeah, but
The
passion you on doesn't. And again, looking at it, yeah, it looks like it's digital. And with the front, it looks like it has spent some time by the seat. The sticker's still on. So they could be original ones, couldn't they?
yeah, but
Yeah.
I'm just showing.
Deal. The flipping tyres bad, you know.
Yeah.
Flipping hell,
That's rocking around, isn't it?
flipping is rocking and rolling. Yeah, it is flipping. Yeah. You can see on the shock, it's a damp bike. So it is gone, yeah.
Basically, shock and springs, really.
Shock and springs, yeah.
You could change one spring.
Well, you can't now. No.
So it's looking like one anti-roll bar mount, yeah, and bushes,
Yeah.
and 2 shocks and 2 springs for the back.
Yeah. Not too bad, but yes, she's definitely spent time by the sea because she's
A bit crusty in places.
a bit crusty.
But this one owner did love her, so you imagine it would be a few on a day, so to keep on track with stuff.
So yeah. But
Anyway, I'd like to say at this point we've checked what needs checking,
we have indeed.
and we'll bid you farewell and say thanks for watching. This is our comfort project, our E36 for 18 TDS, and yeah,
Lovely.
yeah.
Yeah. We have found the banging.
We found the banging.
Which is a
And
good
you
thing.
can find the other videos in the playlist. If you go back to the original start of this page, you can find out where we've come from to now
We can, and the mileage now is on 93,000 miles.
in 93,000 miles.
Yeah.
So
So
we've done a bit of a mileage, you know.
we
But I'd
have
like to
indeed.
say we're rambling on now. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.